front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Then click on More Connections over here. Now you need to select Print and click on the Footprint service or any other service you wish to use. Make sure this switcher is blue and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect, you can tap on More at the bottom right corner and click on Add Printer. Now, if your printer is supporting Wi-Fi Direct feature, you can click on bottom right corner here and wait for your device to find it. If it doesn't have this feature, you can click on Add IP address on the left, input it here and choose Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!